get it from where you can get it.
Come on.
You see all these people out there with their hands out asking for favors. Just get out there and put the work in. Make your own money, man. Raise your own kids. Shout out to the crew that used to hang out on Pennsylvania wheeling.
What up, Joey?
Listen to my 6-track beats on repeat and tell me they feeling it. And maybe they lied, maybe they didn't want to hurt the kids' feelings. But what they did was light a fire, cause now I feel like I'm the illest. A motley bunch who never had much. Sex, drugs, and pain. 7 old heads kept me clean, pushing me to change. Now I'm 18 and I've been ready, time to get the fuck out. So I took all this confidence and left my hometown. Don't know what they're doing, don't know where they live. But if they can hear me, I'm still grateful for everything they did. They believe.
Thank you.
No more favors.
I believe, cause why the fuck wouldn't I?
I'm gonna call